Hello friends, welcome to Shaiva's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make simple moong dal which will be very tasty to eat. So while making I will show you all the ingredients. So come on, let us start the recipe. I have taken 1 bowl of moong dal. You can see. Now I'll put this moong dal to broil it. First I will broil the moong dal, then wash it and then put it up to boil. I will broil the moong dal till it turns little brown, golden brown. Almost brown. You can see it. Now I'll wash this and put it up in the cooker. I have washed the dal. Now I'm going to put the saffron and some salt. Put the salt and some saffron. Cover it and give it about 3 whistles. Moong dal is boiled up. Now I will do the next step. Put some mustard oil. I have taken cumin seeds. I'll put this in. I have taken bay leaves. This also I'll put in. I have taken 2 red dry chilies. That also I'll put in. I have taken cloves, darchini and green cardamom. This also I will put in. I have taken hing. This also I will put in. 1 pinch. I have chopped up 2 medium sized onions. This also I will put in. Onions have become almost golden brown. I have chopped up 2 medium sized tomatoes. This also I will put in. Tomatoes are cooked up little bit. Now I am going to put jeera powder, some dhania powder, some chili powder, and little bit saffron because I have already put saffron in the dal. Put little water. The masalas don't get burnt. Put 1 spoon of sugar. Now the dal which I have boiled and kept, I'll put it in. I have already put in the salt in the dal while the dal was boiling. I will put little more salt Cover it up for 5-10 minutes and let it boil little bit. Moong dal is ready. Now I will serve the simple moong dal. Simple moong dal is ready to be eaten. You can have it with puris, with parathas, rice. Thank you for watching my video.